My village buffaloes are grazing in the village forest. You see the Indian buffaloes is eating drumstick tree leaves. Yes, you see. Village dog, village sceneries with herons, crows are here. You can see the birds are flying in the village sides and the black pigs are grazing. In India, the black pigs are most popular. You can see they are shining in the sunshine. They are shining color, the black color. You can enjoy the village pigs of Indian subcontinent. They are grazing, and you can see there is a river flowing in the back of the agriculture fields, and the village heron is flying. You can see the most beautiful village heron with the pigs, the Indian village pigs, the black pigs. You see the beautiful green grasses, and they are digging the roots of the grasses and eating something. You can see, and there is a creek in the backside of the shining pigs. You see, and the wind is they're enjoying the cool winds, and in the winter season you can see the very beautiful black pigs. Yes, village, sweet village. There is no place like village. You see the beautiful sceneries of my village. Monkeys, you see, two monkeys are here. I think they are couple.